Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial, and this is a tutorial about this small, very cute handbag. I did the handle by myself, and this one I used the same technique that I did for the strap, the crocheted strap. I have the tutorial for that. You can find the link somewhere over here. So you can do a strap or you can do a handle as I did. And this is a square base bag, and I used 100% cotton, and is this one here in this color. I will drop the link in the description box, buy two. And also I used a 3mm hook, which is the kind of hook that I use for this kind of thickness. It's a suede strap, and I also had these tassels already made, like light blue and light purple, and I put them all around. So it looks like this. So I hope you like my little handbag, and I hope you like this tutorial. And I use also the stitch, the spike stitch, which it looks like this, and it's a very nice stitch, I think. You can do this in a bigger size. You just need to make a bigger base and then just go from there. And also you can put a strap here, not a handle, so it will be a shoulder bag. I hope you like my tutorial, and if you are new to my channel, I have this kind of tutorials coming twice a week, and I hope you are considering to subscribe. And if you are not new to my channel, thank you for watching, thank you for following me, and on your way out, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends. Of course, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and check my Etsy shop for patterns. I haven't had time to refresh and put more new patterns there, but I'm planning soon. So with all these things being said, let's just get into it. Okay, so now once I have finished the square base, then I will start to do the turning. The turning, I will do it also like I did in other projects that I did with a V-stitch. For the round base is the same idea. You can check those tutorials, the links are here, or you can just follow me here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just insert the hook from the back of the stitch to the front, to the side, yarn under, pull through, and this time I will pull it through again to the loop as well. Okay, I'm not gonna have a single crochet, and I will do the same with the next stitch. Insert from the back of the stitch to the side, yarn under, pull through to the back, and pull through the loop also. Okay, let's do it one more time. This is how I'm going to work all around, and I will meet you here. This is how it is going to look like all around. I already took out the signs because I don't need them anymore. Now I will do the first round. The first round, it is just going to be a simple V-stitch, and then I will start the pattern. So I will just work like this. This is the stitch that I'm working with, so I will insert the hook from the side of the stitch, which is here, like this. Just a normal single crochet, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through 2 loops, and do the same with the next stitch. Insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through 2 loops. Don't do it very tight because you're gonna use it for V-stitch. You will need some loose stitches the first round. This is how it is going to look like, so just work your way all around until here. Finished all the first round. Now I will start the pattern. The pattern for the sides is going to be pretty simple, just like this. At the first stitch I will insert the hook at the back loop, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through 2 loops. I will make a single crochet but at the back loop. At the second stitch I will insert the hook not at the V-stitch here, but underneath. yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through 2 loops. So the second stitch is going to be a long V-stitch. So I will just repeat that. The next stitch, the back loop, insert the hook at the back loop, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through 2 loops. The second stitch, insert the hook under the first stitch, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through 2 loops, a long V-stitch. This is the pattern that I am going to follow. I will do this all around. Okay, I forgot to tell you actually that this is called a spike stitch, and I'm doing an alternation of the spike stitch, which means that for the next round I am going to do where I had a small single crochet, I will have the spike stitch, and where I had the spike stitch, I will do in the back loop a single crochet. So I'm finished here. I ended up with a single crochet in the back loop. Now for the next round I will just alternate. So the next stitch was a single crochet in the back loop, so I will do a spike stitch. So I will insert the hook at the end of the stitch, pull through, yarn under, pull through. So I'm going to have a spike stitch. Where I had the spike stitch, I will insert the hook at the back loop of the stitch, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through 2 loops. I will have a single crochet at the back loop, and I will continue to alternate. Here I will have a spike stitch, insert the hook at the end of the stitch, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through. So I'm just gonna go like this all the way. Okay, so this is the stitch that I'm going for. I will continue like that until the end of this round, and then when I'm here I will start to alternate again. Where I have the spike stitch, I will do the single crochet at the back loop, and where I have the single crochet at the back loop, I will do the spike stitch. And you can do that for as many rows you need, and I will see you once I'm finished with the side part of this bag. Okay guys, so here is an update. I did 32 rounds and is about 16 cm high. I want to show you now how it looks like. Okay, so here it is. I finished round 32 and now I will start round 33. I want to start round 33, but so here is approximately in the middle. So on each side in the middle I am going to have 6 stitches, where I'm going to have 4 stitches for approximately 2 holes, and then 2 stitches in the middle are going to be to connect these 2 holes. So the work is going to be like this. 2 stitches I'm not going to work, so I will leave a hole, and then 2 stitches I will work, and then 2 other stitches I will leave empty. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do in the middle here, and then again on the other sides. Okay, so I finished round 32 of course here. So this is actually in the middle, right? So I will call 1 stitch done, and then the next stitch I will do again, which is a spike stitch. I will do 1 spike stitch. Then for the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, I will just do 2 chains, 1 and 2, and then I will skip these 2, and then I will insert the hook at the 3rd stitch. And here again I have a spike stitch. So I have 1 hole here, and then these are 1, 2 stitches in the middle, and then when I finish all around and I come here, I will leave another 2, okay, to make the next hole. So now I will just keep working like this with a spike stitch until I go in the middle of this section, of the second section. I worked my way until nearly in the middle of the second section. Here I'm going to do the holes, so I will have 2 chains. You can also do counting, so you can divide the stitches exactly, but in my case I think it's okay. So we will do 2 stitches because I will skip these 2 stitches. Just 1, 2, and I will insert the hook at the 3rd stitch. Here I'm going to do 1 stitch and 2. This is going to be in the middle of the holes, and then I'm going to skip another 2 stitches to make the hole, so I will make 2 chains, 1 and 2, insert the hook at the 1, 2 at the 3rd stitch. So now I have 2 holes. Here I will insert the strap. I'm going to do this for the next 2 sides. So I finished all 3 rounds, and the last round where I'm going to finish the 33rd round. So when I started this round I made 1 hole, and then I also started with a stitch, right? So the 33rd round will finish here, but I stopped 3 stitches before because this is going to be a stitch for the hole, and then these 2 stitches I will skip, which means I'm going to do 2 chains for the second hole of this side, okay? So you will stop working 3 stitches before you finish the 33rd round, make 2 chains. So I will insert 1, 2 at the 3rd one, and here I am going to do 1 stitch. So now I have 2 holes. Now I will start the 34th round. So I will work my way around another 4 rounds with this stick, and then I will cut the yarn. Okay guys, so as you have seen, I have finished another 4 rows on top of the holes. Now I am going to put it together. I'm using this suede line, is approximately 2 meters, and this I will do it by 3. Also, I already did this handle. I did it with rope. So I did a tutorial on how to crochet a shoulder strap, but you can use that also to do a handle. I'm also going to use these purple, light purple and light blue tassels. First I'm going to sew the strap. I already prepared the needle. The handle is on, and now let's continue with the strap. As I told you, I did the strap by 3, so I will insert from the front side and then to this side, from in out to the first hole. Once I'm here, I will take the strap that is a single one like this, and in here I will insert 1 blue tassel and 1 purple tassel. I will connect again the 3 together, and I will insert at the hole from outside to the inner part. Do the same in the other side. front side. Just pull